Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new topic, modal auxiliary. Now what is modal auxiliary? Modal auxiliaries are the verb which help to modify the mood of the verb. For example, he can paints. He can paints. In this sentence, can shows ability of the person. Ability of the person. Now, he should paint. He should paint. In this sentence, should denotes or suggests to paint. Means the person should paint. Person suggests to paint. So the modal auxiliaries are the verb which express the different moods of the main verb. Main verb is painting, to paint, and can shows ability, should shows suggestion. Now we take another example. Nazia plays tennis. RK acts in movies. Rahul completes his homework. If we have seen these sentences, in this sentence, plays is verb, Nazia plays tennis. RK acts in movies. Acts is verb. Rahul completes his homework. Completes his work. There is only one verb. In all this sentence, there is only one verb. This verb is called as main verb. We know that which shows the action or which completes the sense of the sentence is called as main verb. And in these sentences, there is only one verb and it is called as main verb. Now, look at another examples. Nazia is playing tennis. Second sentence, RK can act well. Rahul must complete his homework. Rahul must complete his homework. In these sentences, there are two verbs: is playing, can act, must complete. There we have seen two verbs. First verb is helping verb. First verb is helping verb and second verb is main verb. This is helping verb and this is main verb. First verb is helping verb and second verb is main verb. These helping verbs this helping verb is called as auxiliary verb. Helping verb is called as auxiliary verb. And remember that auxiliary verbs are always come before the main verb in the sentence. कायम लक्षात ठेवायचं हेल्पिंग वर्ब हे ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब हे कायम मेन वर्बच्या आधी येतं वाक्यामध्ये. हे कायम लक्षात ठेवायचं. देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब. फर्स्ट, primary auxiliary and second, modal auxiliary. There are two types of auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Now, what is primary auxiliaries? For this, we will see some examples. Salman is playing cricket. Salman is playing cricket. Salman is the hero of the match. Salman is the hero of the match. Salman is playing cricket and Salman is the hero of the match. In this sentence, there are two verbs, is playing, and in this sentence, Salman is. Is used as main verb in second sentence. In this first sentence, is used as auxiliary verb because playing is main verb and it bears this verb, it comes before the main verb, so it is auxiliary verb. And in this sentence, it is used as main verb. Now, there are some features of primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries can be used as main verb. Note down primary, auxiliary can be used as main verb. We have seen the example. Salman is the hero of the match. In this sentence, is used as main verb. Now, primary auxiliaries can be used as auxiliary verb. Means primary auxiliaries are used both as main verb and as well as auxiliary verb. They change according to subject. For example, Salman is playing. Salman is playing. Another example, Salman and Sachin are playing. Salman and Sachin are playing. Now look at first sentence. Salman is playing. Subject is singular, so we use is. And in the second sentence, Salman and Sachin, there are two subjects, so we use primary auxiliary are. So these auxiliary change according to the subject. Now there are different types of primary auxiliaries. To be, there are different types of primary auxiliaries. To be, that is am, is, are, was, were. Next, to do, does, did. Do, does, did. And to have. Have, has, had. Have, has, had. All these are called as primary auxiliaries. All these are called as primary auxiliaries. To be is used in continuous tense to create continuous tense or to show passive voice. To do, emphasize, allegation or raise question. To have is used in perfect tense or perfect continuous tense. These are called as primary auxiliaries. Remember that primary auxiliaries can be used as both main verb as well as auxiliary verb, and they changes according to the subject. In next period we will see modal auxiliaries.